Let's solve equations using inverse operations. Equation number 1. Step 1. Read the equation. We have here 2 times b plus 4 is equal to 10. Step 2. Use the additive inverse to remove the numeric term on the variable side. So let's take a look. The variable side is the side that has the variable, which is 2 times b plus 4. The numeric term is the term that is just the number, no variable, which is the plus 4. And this is the first term we need to use an inverse operation on. The inverse of adding 4 is to subtract 4, and we need to make sure that we apply it to both sides to keep balance in the equation. 2b plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 10 minus 4. We will have just 2b on this side over here because this equals 0. And on the other side, we will have that 10 minus 4 equals 6. That completes step number 2 of removing the numeric term on the variable side using the additive inverse. How did we remove the numeric term plus 4? We removed the numeric term plus 4 by using the additive inverse of subtract 4 on both sides of the equation, leaving us with just 2 times b on that side of the equation. Now the equation is still not solved yet, and that's where we go to step 3. Use the multiplicative inverse to solve for the variable. It's our final step. To get the variable b alone on the side, I need to turn the coefficient of 2 into a coefficient of 1. That means I need to divide both sides by 2. 2b divided by 2 equals b. And on the other side, we have 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. And we now have solved our equation. B equals 3. After step 2, how did we solve for the variable b? In step 3, we divided by the coefficient value to get the b variable all alone on one side. Step 4 is an optional step. This is where we would check the solution to make sure that we are correct. And if we take a look here quickly, you would write down the original equation, take the variable and replace it with the value that we found in our solution. And so we would now need to make sure that 2 times 3 plus 4 does equal 10. 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 plus 4 equals 10. So 3, in fact, was the correct solution. And we could even take this first statement we said earlier and read it with the 3 instead of the variable. 2 times 3, which equals 6, plus 4 is equal to 10, and that's a correct statement as well. You are now ready to solve the equation using the two inverse operations to get the variable m alone on one side.